Hello, welcome to my channel Curti Kirby Mama. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am in Rongali Mela, which has been held in Netfi Hut, and it has started today, that is the 11th, and it will continue till the 13th of April. Since it is Rongali Bihu, our second most awaited Bihu, and it's an Assamese New Year, you will see a lot of places with traditional Bihu dancers and Bihu dance. Functions will held, and what more, when there is festivity, you need new clothing, you need new decor. So let's just see what is there this year. I just love the decor with all the traditional japis and gamusas. Just right as you enter, there is a stall from Bhutan. You have coffee beans here with this. These are banana chips, very freshly made. These are pure mustard oil. These are half liter. It would cost you around 200. These are pure honey that you see. And these are different kind of pickles right from bamboo shoot. I found this one very interesting. This is soya paste pickle, and what is very different is something called Zoti Iza. You call them Zeti Iza. Okay, so this is called Zeti Iza, and it is it is made of chilies and fermented cheese. And they have got different cheese powder for the Datsi. This is normal cheese powder. They also have another version. This is the spicy cheese powder. So all you need to do, need not work hard, just mix it with water and make your curry. That's the famous dale chutney. Oh, look at this cute mekhala chadar for the young ones. So there are two lovely ladies. She's selling narikol and gur laddu. These are all sugar free, and she has made them really fresh. And this is something interesting that I couldn't stop myself, is ghee khasta. And all this life is close to 20 to 30 days. So she has got a lot, right from nimki to cookies to this specialized black rice, khula pitha to achar, from different kind of mekhala chadars that you see. Do you see how unique these are? She has a boutique of her own called Purabi's Creation, which you can see in Facebook. What I loved is her fusion ones, the one that I showed you earlier. This, apart from that, she has made this beautiful customized jacket. This is from Aerie. These are lovely dresses. She has got different kind of blouses. And what I loved is this piece. Do you see how nice it is? Make it a little longer, it becomes your dress. Or otherwise, this is from Padmini cotton. Or otherwise, it's a beautiful top. She customizes it to your will and whims. And I loved this. See, there are jackets, blouses. She has got it all. And it's very classy. It's not something that you always find. Look at this one. Wear it for your western wear. You can wear it for your Indian wear. Now from Lakhimpur district, she has got different mekhala chadars. Again, right from Riha to single chadars. Two stalls back to back from Bhutan. So here in this Bhutan stall, they have got a compressed massage ball. They have got different type of soaps. Then there is body oil. What I love the most is this food soaking bag. It's not basically bag. It's almost like Epsom salt in warm water. You just put one sachet of it, and then you soak your feet, your tired feet, and you're all fresh. So this one is 40, which has like 2 sachets, and this one is around 250, 260, which has got almost 10 of it. They have got more teas. There are 2 types of honeys. This is normal honey, and this is with cordyceps, which almost looks like imli and mushroom, but it has got better health benefits. Apart from that, they have candies. I tasted this, and I'm taking this. They call this persimmon. It's almost black raisin in taste, and it's healthier. If you have sweet cravings, just after food, have this. And I love the mixed tea. Just look at this. Also, just next to it, there is all beverages. For all the beverages lover, There are different kind of squashes here, from pineapple to orange to lemon. There are pure apple juices, orange juices, pineapple juices. Then there is beer from Bhutan. There are different kind of jams, from strawberry to mix. Something interesting and different that I saw was this. This is called Himalayan citrus tea. All you need to do is, see, just add 3 spoons of it in your hot or your warm water, and your tea is ready. There are dried eggplants, there are Szechuan pepper. This is almost spaghetti consistency, and they call it jangbali. It's almost noodle like, flat noodles. Oh, sib. Okay, sib. Oh, great. So it's a lot, see. So for all the food lovers, if you want to have a piece of Bhutan, you should come here. These are all mekhala chadar, different kind of saris I see. For all the clothing lover, this mela is something you should never miss. The Rongali Bihu Mela in Netfi House. Different mekhala chadars. There are more mekhala chadars, sira, gamusas, fridge magnets. This is something I found interesting called roach hunter. কি হয় roach hunter?
এটো ককচৰ কাৰণে আপুনি ঘৰত কবৰ দি দিলে আৰু আপুনি ককচৰ দেখা নাপায়।
Wow. So see, this balls, you throw it somewhere, anywhere in your house, and there is no cockroach. কিমান হয় এটো?
80 টাকা।
80 rupees, and this is just 80 rupees. This is her number. Apart from that, what I really liked is this. See, it would cost you around 250, and it's perfect for return gifts or any kind of gifts. They have got scrunchies, lip glosses, a small clutch, and bracelet, neck pieces, just in one, beautifully packed. Glassy. There are handmade bouquets, and these are yum cakes. More mekhala chadars and gamusas that you see. Beautiful design, beautiful colors. Well, you must be thinking why I don't go inside the stalls of mekhala chadar, because I don't wear much of the Indian wear. Oh wow. I've come in the stall of this beautiful lady. She has a boutique called Tati, where she customizes different kind of top wear, dresses, jackets, anything you want. She does it for you, and you need not think about the quality. She will give you the best. These are the fabrics, the temporary fabrics that she's giving. These top wears are great to wear. Apart from that, I have taken one of these. These are cute cookies, homemade cookies and laddus that she has made. It's approximately 60-65 rupees. And she has got different kind of achars, pickles, from banana flour to chicken to sweet jujube, that is bogori, bamboo shoot, different beautiful gamusas. I really like the one with the butterfly motif. There's more mekhala chadars that you see. So here is the function area. All the Bihu dancers are here for their performance. How pretty these are. Look at the thread works. Plus there are different kind of stoles. Perfect for gifting, perfect for personal use. So in this stall you get different kind of mekhala chadars. They've got different kind of wrappers. I have taken 2 similar wrappers, which you can wear it for your Indo wear, Western wear. There are more like this, which I saw in Saras Mela, but he has got different colors of it. Look at this. This is also so good. And what I love is, since my daughter is in school, are all this hand embroidered napkins that we used to use in our times. There are more mekhala chadars that you see. There are wrappers, there are gamusas, there are stoles. These are all mekhala. Just the mekhala, that is the lower wear. And it doesn't cost you much. This is just 220 rupees. You can actually use it as a kurta also. You can make a dress out of it. Kiman meter ase? 1.8. So this has got material of almost 1.8 meters. So I have like taken 2 pieces of these. So this 2 costed me 400 in total. So I am intending to make a dress or a kurta with the same. It's got different runners, cushion covers, Ah, look at this with elephant motif, different designs, beautiful designs, curtains. There's a tablecloth runner. She has got the whole set. There is more waistcoats, mekhela chadars. I really like that Kaziranga one. Beautiful cotton top wear. See, perfect for summer. All handwork. Lovely. And these are placemats. See how cute these are. Can I get placemats, Mila? 50 rupees. This would cost you around 50 rupees. So these are side table covers that we used to see in our grandmother's times. They used to really, dress up their whole house when there was hardly anything available online. And these are beautiful cushion covers, different sizes, all handmade. I took this one for my Gopal for his asan. And for all Jubinda's fans, see how cutely she made, and all the pictures of him are also, it's two ways, see, and this would cost you around 100 baht. And there are more for all your little ones, different kind of frocks, shirts, taken napkins here. So this would cost you around 25 to 30 rupees. If you take it in bulk, she'll give you a discount. And all these mekhela chadars that you see is all handwork, hand embroidery. You see this? All stitches, Gujarati stitch, different kind of stitches, all done by her. And the starting would be around 4,000 or so. There is different kind of waistcoats, the jewelry. So this beaded ones would cost you around 200 or so, and ones would cost you around 100. And these are all homemade chocolates that you see. You have got from plain dark chocolate to dry fruit to Bhut Jolokia one to a special whiskey one. So it comes in pouches like this, and it would cost you around 150, and it almost has a shelf life of around a year or so. These are plain chocolate lollipops that would cost you around 50. I would say it is much better. The Netfi melas are always better than any other melas that you see. I'm being a little biased, but I'm talking about the quality that they have it here. There are different cotton dresses, gamusas, clutches, and different kind of dry flower sticks. How pretty this looks. There are candles. There are the smaller versions too. And these are cute clips for your little ones. So they have the famous sticky black rice. This is almost 1 kilo. That would cost you around 250, and they have a powdered version also, just in case you don't want to soak it, boil it. So the powdered version would cost you around 220 or so. What you're supposed to do is take like bunches, select your bunches, and she makes like this one is a small bouquet that you see, that would cost you around 50 bahts. So her ones starts from 150 rupees, and she would customize it according to the rates. So this is how my bunch looks like. This is a 100 rupees bunch, and look how cute is it. There are more gamusas, more single mekhela chadars. This looks like a Rabha design to me. There are mufflers, handkerchief. This is of Japi. This is Lokha Paro. That's our cocoa full, and this would cost you around 70 to 100 rupees. Different kind of mask, place packs, and mekhela chadar. These are all unique, customized ones, not that you see usually. And these are cushion covers. These masks are all our handmade local designs, and that would cost you around 100 bucks. See, and these are all washable. So I'm in the stall where Baido makes everything herself. It's all customized. And do you see this sets? These are completely ready to wear. You just buy it and wear it. These are the ones, mekhela chadar, that you see. It starts from say around 2500 onwards. And these are not the traditional ones. These are more modern take on mekhela chadars. So that was a live performance of you that you saw. There are more kurtas, there is handmade earrings, there are different kind of agarbatti, gamusas and mekhela chadars. See how beautiful these are. Perfect for gifting. More mekhela chadar, and these are popo. You can actually buy this. This would cost you around 700 to 800. So I'm in this stall. They are from Gohapur. So do you see this lovely jacket? This is from Aerie and this would cost you around 3,500 to 4K. And they've got different type of cushion covers in ethnic motif. This is 14 by 14. This would cost you around 350, but they can give you a discount if you take more. And they've got different colors of these. These are 16 by 16 and that would cost you around say 450 to 550. They've got more mekhela chadars and scrunchies, cute ones, and placemats. See, all handmade, beautiful scrunchies. They've got runners too. This is Archana Baido. I met her in different fair. So she makes different kind of soaps, which is there in my Bohag Mela Netfee video. You can get a descriptive one. So I'm back to take more from her. This is for my daughter, and that is the Ma Halodhi soap. And what I found really interesting is this Mukharachak, which you eat after food just for digestion. It has amla, beetroot and ginger. And it costs you only 50 rupees. Mekhela chadars, gamusas, thapana gamusa. Oh, such a cute little girl. And with her mama, they have made different kind of handwork. Look at this planter. It looks so nice. There are different scrunchies, to clips, head ties, keychains. They have it all, and I really like this one. Kiman, 100 rupees. This is 100 rupees, and this one, Evil Eye, which is my favorite. So 100. Everything out here is 100. Got cute photo frames too. There are more flowers. This would cost you around 100. The sunflowers. And look at this. Such beautifully made. Love this too. This would cost you 350, and there are more. See, just perfect for gifting, perfect for personal use. Different sizes, and she has got a frame. And this ones, I see this a lot in Calcutta, but this is in our local traditional handmade jewelries. See how nice. And she has got cushion covers too. Cost you around 550, and she has got sets that would cost you around 1700 or so. She has got more. See those shirts that you see, and there are brooch pins, there are magnets, there are photo frames. You have got clothing plus your home decor plus accessories. So if you wish to come to her stall. Her stall is as colorful as her. And there is pickles. There is different kind of pitas that you see. And these are sugar-free cookies. See, ginger cookies, jowar cookies. This is all she's selling. Plus, these are for all the diabetes people like me. Don't worry, these are all jaggery, not with seni. So I've asked sister to make chicken momo for me. And these are different kind of teas, cheesecakes, Korean buns. And I have come in the food section. So there are different kind of pitas, cookies. I had taken this last time. It's really yum to eat. Here there are different kind of handbags, photo frames, clothing, mekhela chadar, more of it. Beautiful missing mekhela chadars that you see. Beautiful color, beautiful handwork. And there are food, different foods that you see. So don't come eating, you can always have your food here. There are different achars, and this is my favorite, the barbecue ones. You buy a stick, they would add chutney and make for you. This is rohi, that is rice wine, different types of rice wine you see here. Look at this. Well, in layman's language, you have your booze and your chakna here all together. There is boru aloo. There is different kinds of bora rice, different types of rice, bora rice, johar rice, black rice. This is different fruit wines, right from red wine to rose wine to herbal wine. Lots of achars that you see here. Look at the wines, a lot of wines. My, look at the list. Huge varieties of wines that they have. For that, you have to come straight and come to this stall called Darikas. What I found interesting here is, see this genda mala. It looks real, but it is made of wool threads, and look how beautiful it looks. See, and this would cost you around, say, 200 or so per string. And that is your mushroom stall. I have already visited the stall many times, and I earlier mentioned this is my favorite one, the pineapple mushroom chutney. So anything mushroomy, this is the stall for you. Kind of pickles here, right from bamboo shoot to jujube to garlic to red chili to olive, jolpai, which is my favorite, and there are bigger version and smaller version, and they have got a whole list of it. Perfumes, other perfume. See, there are room freshener, there are dhoops, there are different kind of agarbattis. I'm already getting the aroma from this far. I think that's a handheld fan that they have. All this bisoni in local language, and this is Dora Bisoni, and it would cost you around 550. Shockingly, though it's Bohag, but there is no dearth of rice. Our rices are still rocking. See, there are more food, clothing, frocks, dhotis, lot of gamusas because it's Assamese New Year right in the corner. I love is this person. He visits every year in the Rongali Mehla. Pura is very famous, and he has preserved our Assamese musical instruments to the fullest. These are all our traditional Assamia musical instruments. See. Gogana khon bajai diye. This is called Gogana.
এই গগনাটো আচলতে বজাবৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত মজবুতকৈ ধৰিব লাগিব এইভাগে, নহ'লে এইটো এনেকৈ হিলি গ'লে ই নাবাজে। গগনাখন বাজে এই হলিটো কম্পনৰ কাৰণে, এইটো মাৰোঁতে এই হলিটো কম্পন হয়, সেই কম্পনটো হ'বৰ কাৰণে মুখৰ ভিতৰলৈ হলিটো সোমাব লাগিব। সেইটো কাৰণে মুখখন অকণমান জাষ্ট পাতি ৰাখিব লাগিব, তেতিয়া মই বজাই
উতলি
মই ভাবোঁ আমাৰ যিসকল ইয়াত আমাৰ থলুৱা শিল্পী আহিছে তেখেতসকলে নিজে আপোনালোকে যদি এটা উদ্যোগ লৈছে তেখেতসকলে উদ্যোগ কৰিব লাগিব। তেখেতসকলে কাপোৰ চিনি পাব চাদৰ গতিকে সেইটো আপোনালোক সচেতন হ'ব নোৱাৰে, সেইকাৰণে ময়ো নোৱাৰিম। সচেতন হ'ব লাগিব যিসকল ইয়াত আমাৰ স্থল লৈ আহিছে।
তাল এই তিনিটা আপোনাৰ নাম ক'বলৈ ভাল।
ৰামতাল। This is our traditional peppa. Now I'm in this stall where there are different kind of homemade achars. See, these are hortoki, there is halodi, there is amla, there is til, there is handoguri. There are different beautiful Assamese jewelry, homemade pithas, and different gamusas, mekhela chadar, single chadar, waistcoat. Look at that gamusa, how pretty it is. So in this stall, you see beautiful shirts for festive season. Boys shirt that would cost you around 500. These are the gamusas that would cost you from 150, 200 upwards. There are different kind of sira, saul, that is rice, coconut laddus, sesame laddus, black sesame laddus that we call til laddu. Then there are pitas, which has a filling of sesame, and he has got a stall full of gamusas. So she has got a whole lot of pitas. Then these are gom laddu. Then these are gur laddu, narikol laddu. This is ginger powder. This is kurma. There are different kind of pickles. See how yum the bogori pickle looks. And this is kharoli. These are gurs, these are homemade chocolates, and this one is a speciality. You just need to fry it. It is basically called pitha, but you fry it and it becomes almost like a papad. And look at this wonder. We call it lau, bottle gourd pitha, which is soaked in liquid jaggery, which is yum to eat. Do try this. And this is my favorite, ma kolai. There are more food here. This is called hurum. It makes great dessert. Then this is handoguri, which you need to mix it with milk or warm water and have it. And this is the coarse version of the same. This would cost you around 150. There are different types of laddus. There are siras. There are different pitas. This is interestingly jujubi. This is jujubi powdered without the seed. So it is a little coarse with the powdery form as well. And this is jujube pickle. There are different kind of food items. This is kumal saul. This is a rice that can be fried and eaten just like that, just like chanachur and all. There are different kind of pitas. These are all homemade. Again, what I really liked is this. She has already made it. This is matima with halodi, that is turmeric, and a kind of dal which you make a paste, like a coarse paste, and then you apply and take bath. It gives you a very glowing skin. So this is already prepared. All you need to do is make the paste and have a bath, and that would cost you around 30 bucks. There are cushion covers. You see different kind of runners. There are different sizes of cushion cover rather. This is 14 by 14. They've got 16 by 16. They've got different types. Plus mekhela chadars. She's from Boroland and she's selling all her traditional pickles. Do you see her range? These are all the veg versions and these are all the non-veg versions. From chicken pickle with chili garlic. She has got banana flour. She has got akhuni.
GI cake.
And that's a
GI cake. Ready to eat.
ready to eat. And how do you
Nafam.
make this?
This is nafam. This is like a fermented one. This is made of a dry fish and then some herbs. They grind and they keep it for like a long time, like a year, you can say that. And the fish, they have got it from the rivers.
Oh, lovely. So you can take this. This is something you should really try. And apart from fish, she has got in dried fish ones, chicken, and she has got our pork, gahori. Apart from that, she has got arnai, which is the traditional Boro, what do you say, a muffler, which we can say it, we can relate it with a gamusa. That's the dokona Boro wear, and you wear the arnai just like sister is wearing. and this would cost you around say 600 or so. She can give you a discount, and these are a little more expensive because of the
design,
work.
yeah.
Because of the design.
And this is the gamusa.
And that's the traditional Boro gamusa that men wear. So it's huge in size. A fat man can also wrap it properly. Now, I'm in this stall with beautiful aunties. So there is homemade biryani. There is egg chop. So see, I'm packing chops, and that costs you around 30 bucks. These are the sizes of the biryani. So this one is bigger portion that has almost 3 pieces of chicken and an egg. And this is a smaller version that has almost say 2 pieces of chicken and an egg. Not to worry about the quality because this is homemade, everything is used fresh, and a different kind of cookies, coconut biscuits, different kind of cake. So this was my version and my shopping of Netfi Rogali Bihu. And if you like my video on Netfi Rogali Bihu Mela, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, lots of love, take care, and have a great Bihu and New Year ahead.